With Stella 3.8, we've refined the concept of apply to all to allow you to make it work against a single dimension. Here's an arrayed model where A, B, C is defined as if type is type A, then A, otherwise if it's B, then B, otherwise it's C, which is a fairly simple equation. Trouble is that with more complicated formulations, these equations can become quite difficult to read. An alternative way to do this would be to make it not apply to all, which of course gives us lots and lots of different boxes to fill in. But now what we can do is to one of those dimensions, we can say all, and then for A, we would apply A. For B, we would apply B. And for C, we would apply C. And so what you see now is you have A, B, and C as three different equations. So they're very simple. They apply easily to the different elements they need to apply to, and it's quite easy to read. If you were to look at all of the different equations that are actually there, oops, if you were to look at all the different equations that are actually there, you'd see that what we have is a repetition along all the lines, but we don't need to see that. We can keep it hidden by just using the ABC notation. So each time we go back to it, we just have three simple equations to deal with. The resulting models are fully compatible with previous versions of Stella, but if you open them and save them in a previous version, you'd need to go back and reselect the all element for the variable that you're working with.